Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we'll continue our discussion on the line of Mars. A quick recap of all what we have studied so far. The line of Mars comes under the category of the minor lines. The study of the lines marked on our palm comes under the category of the chiromancy. This chiromancy is used for the fortune telling part, to know about the past, present and future. Now comes the part how these lines marked on our palm get formed. Like the way I always say this thing, that there can be three reasons for that. First is the spiritual reason, the soul. Like the way it has been believed that the soul never dies, it carries the account of the past life deeds. Second is the genetics, the kind of traits which a child inherits from his parents, from his ancestors. And third remains to be the fetal environment, the kind of environment which a mother gets at the time of the conception. Now comes the part of the classification of these lines marked on our palm. So these three lines comes under the category of the major lines, the primary lines. In majority of the hands you will find these lines. This is the uppermost line, is known as the heart line, which tells about your innermost feelings, the physical condition of your heart. This is the head line, which tells about your intellectual capabilities, and this is the lifeline, which tells about your health, your stamina and your vitality. Then comes the secondary lines, which are the line of fate or Saturn line, the sun line and the line of Mercury. And the next is the minor lines, like the way we have discussed Via Lascivia, Ring of Solomon, Mystic Cross and the line of Mars. They all come under the category of the minor lines. You have to understand that in palmistry, specifically for the secondary lines and the minor lines, the absence of line is not an issue. The issue is, the problem is when you have that minor line marked on your palm and it is afflicted. So a defective minor line or a secondary line is a problem. The absence of secondary line or minor line is not at all a problem. Now comes the part of this line of Mars, where this line gets formed. So as we have discussed in the introductory video, you can spot this line parallel to the lifeline. And what does this line represent? This line tells about your vitality, your stamina, your courage. Also it acts as a aid, as a sister line to the lifeline. So if any let's say if any point of time where lifeline is broken, where there would remain to be a threat of some health related problem or lack of vitality, low immunity, but at the same time if you have a line of Mars present beside it, then you can say that this person is protected at that point of time. And we have also discussed that you should never get confused regarding the presence of line of Mars, because line of Mars would remain to be closest to the lifeline. Apart from that, all other lines marked on our palm will be known as. So this is a line of influence, this is a line of influence, like the way I have explained to you in the past video, that this could be your friend, because these influence lines are those impressions which people have created in our mind. So in a way we can even look those lines as the people marked in our palm. This could be your friend, this could be your middle age a friend, a very good friend. And same ways these vertical lines are known as the influence lines. We also call them with the name of friend lines. Same like way, even the vertical lines present on the these phalanges are also known as the friend lines. So these all are the support of friends and family and friends. I have even explained this thing in the finger section when I have explained all these fingers separately. So now comes the part of some other sign which you can also find on the mount of the Venus, which is these kind of pattern of lines, something like these. So what are then these lines called? These lines are the worry lines. So what happen is that, and you can also look at them from the perspective of the enemy lines. So the closest line to the lifeline is known as the line of Mars, which act as a sister line to the lifeline, which act as a protecting guard to the lifeline. Next to it, all other lines will be known as the influence lines, the impression of the people, which a deep impression which people have created in our life. And these horizontal lines are known as the worry lines, or the worries which are troubling us. And apart from that, just for more information, all other lines which connects them outside the lifeline will be known as the chance lines. So now comes the part of having a further discussion on the line of Mars. So what would remain to be the case when you will find the presence of different signs on the line of Mars? The way to do this kind of analysis is, the simple and very simple Mool Mantra is that you first need to understand the line or the mount or the region, what does that represent? So now you understand what line of Mars represents. Line of Mars represents, recuperative abilities, stamina, courage, vitality. And now comes the part of understanding the signs individually. When you know both of the things, then you can just merge it, and then you can conclude what kind of signification you can expect at that point of time. You need to age the line, and at the same time you can expect that kind of signification. So now comes the part, what all are the archetype meanings of all these signs. So the symbol of cross, which is like this. Cross represents obstruction. Next is symbol of star. Star represents, intensification of energies at that particular point of time. So this could mean illumination in a positive state. This could also mean explosion in a negative state. But in any case, the presence of star would remain to be intense and will be easily felt in that person's life. Next is the symbol of square. Square is the symbol of protection wheresoever it is found in the palm. Next is the symbol of circle. Circle has got, different meanings on different regions, on different plane. It has got negative meaning, and on different planes it has got positive meaning. So it has got very double kind of meaning attached to it in palmistry. Next is the symbol of triangle. Triangle represents, mental intelligence, mental acumen. It is also seen as a good perspective for the wealth related concerns. Next is the symbol of island. Island just represents loss of energy. Same is with the symbol of mole. Mole or till or dot is not considered as good anywhere in the palm. Next is with the net. Net is like confusion. This is the net. Yes, 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 no, no, no. Net represents confusion. It is not considered good anywhere on the palm. And next is the symbol of trident. Trident has got similar meaning, more or less equivalent to the star. Trident is considered as very good. It represents intelligence, enlightenment, and perfection. So now comes the part of relating these two things, the line of Mars with these signs. So first comes the symbol of cross. So the cross is not at all considered as good on the palm. So any point of time, if you have spotted this kind of pattern on the like this kind of cross on the line of Mars, this will just indicate that the person would have a fearful nature. The person might be lacking confidence, lacking courage, and he will not be that very active as the kind of signification we can expect from the presence of a Mars line. So this is with the symbol of the cross. Next is the symbol of star. So let's say if any point of time he has spotted the symbol of star anywhere on the line of Mars. So like the way I have already explained, that star represents intensification of energy at that point of time. So the effect would remain to be extreme. Either in a one way that it could make a person kind of like very dependent on other, or weak, or in another case, in an extreme aspect, it could just make someone, what has been written in the books, that it just infuse tendency to murder. Though we have to look at those signs with a pinch of salt, we even have to look at other signs present on the hand, then only we land to conclusion. Otherwise, symbol of star present on the line of Mars represent represent two things. One could be person would be very timid, or would be very dependent on other types, or another could be the person might get too much of defamation because of his extreme violent streak, extreme violent nature. Next is with the symbol of square. So the symbol of square just represents, is spotted on the line of Mars. It just represents that the person will progress due to the support of the other people. It also protects the person from any kind of blood related disease or any kind of accidents. Next is the symbol of circle. So any point of time you have spotted symbol of circle on the palm, it is not considered as good. It just first represent blood related diseases, blood related problem, and what has been written in the books of palmistry is that there remain to be vulnerability of death due to operation. So like the way I always say, when it comes to specifically all those big predictions and landing to bigger and bigger conclusions like life, death, marriage, all the bigger events, the best part about palmistry is that all those big events get reflected in 2-3 portions at the same time. So that wouldn't be the case that the person is getting married and the indication will be present only in one line. You will get those kind of signification and indication simultaneously on 2-3 areas. It's just like that the line are by themselves coming out and telling you that this is something which is going to happen. So same is the way Otherwise, the symbol of circle represent that only which I have just explained, but you have to check it in combination with other signs present on the palm as well. Next is the symbol of triangle. Triangle is a very good sign found here on the line of Mars. It represents, intelligence, courage, and even like the way the problem with the line of Mars is that these people would remain to be always on the verge of losing out due to excess of the energy. So that wouldn't be the case in someone's personality if there will be the presence of the triangle on the line of Mars. The person's energy and vitality will be used in a very positive and a very calculated and very energized way, in a right way. Next is with the symbol of island. So symbol of what has been written in the scripture is that first is that the island, so island will be spotted something like this, which is not considered as good anywhere. So the first thing is that it gives vulnerability to heart related problem, so you need to look at it from that perspective. Next is that what has been written in the books of palm history is that the Samudik Shastra, that they remain to be, I'll tell you what the case is. All these predictions and prophecies what has been written in the ancient old books, that has been written based on that era. Let me give a very small example. So what has been written in the old books is that if the heartline is headline is curving too deep on the mount of the moon, and it is ending on a let's say on a crossbar. So what has been written in those books is that the person will die in water. So we have to evolve even with the knowledge, with the time and era which we are living. So that might be seen from that perspective, that the person will go insane because of excess of the thinking, because this is what Mount of Luna represent, your imagination, your thinking. And headline curving too deep and ending in a crossbar doesn't mean that the person will die in water, because moon also is a water element, also represent that. But this would indicate that the person would remain to be on a verge of losing out because of excessive of thinking. So same is the way. Apart from that, the symbol of island, what has been written in the scripture is that along with the vulnerability to heart disease, which will check in combination with the condition of the heart line and the lifeline, it also what has been written is that what I just told, death in the war. Next is with the symbol of the mole. Mole is not considered as good anywhere on the palm. So what is going to happen is that first thing is that this would just indicate, it would just negate all the signification of the line of Mars. So in the form that the person would remain to be very weak, and the typical Martian attitude is go-getterness on your face. But these people would remain to be very cajoling kind of, and very buttering kind of people, rather than getting things done in a straight way forward approach. Next is with the symbol of net. So net is also one very evil sign. So what is going to happen is that if you have spotted this kind of net on the, so this is your line of Mars, and let's say you have spotted a kind of grill formation on the line of Mars. So the first thing this would indicate is that blood related disease, vulnerability to blood related disease problem. Second is that the person will remain to be very violent, and third is that it has been generally seen that people with this kind of formation remain very much on the verge of getting into some kind of litigation and trouble with the police or cops. So this is with the symbol of pattern of net or grill if you'll find on the line of Mars. Next is the pattern of trident. So let's say if you have spotted the line of Mars to be ending on a trident kind of formation, something like this, anywhere on the something like this pattern. So this would just indicate that the person would remain to be what has been written in the books is that people generally, if they get into any kind of the military or Martian profile, police, cops, army, military, navy, the person would get bravery award in his life. That's the one thing which is even I have seen in my own research as well, that it has been generally found in the hands of all those people who have served in the war or have remained in the Martian profile and have got accolades and awards because of their bravery. And the next is, it also indicates that the person would remain to be kind of a protector. So that person might become a healer, or they person might be working in an NGO, or could be kind of headstorming or kind of heading some kind of crusade against some kind of evil thing which is happening in the society. So this is as a positive sign, trident, and considered as all those people who take that side of Martian which is about protecting others, protecting the downtrodden. Next is with the pattern of branch from Mars line to different places. So let's say for example, anywhere you have spotted, this is our, let's say this is our fate line. Any point of time you will find any branch from the Mars line to the fate line, something like this, connecting on your palm. So this would just indicate, first of all, this is considered as a good sign. So this is a fortune awakening sign. So that might remain to be the case that the person will put his best efforts, and even the destiny is going to help him in his all those endeavors and in all those efforts. So this is considered as a fortune awakening. This is considered as a positive sign. Any branch from the line of Mars going to the fate line. Next is from the heart line. Any branch is coming and joining the line of Mars. So Mars line and heart line is connecting via a branch. So what has been written in the Samudik Shastra, the scriptures, is that this is a sign that the person would remain to be first of all very emotional. So the Martian energy will not be used in an aggravated or an intense negative form. So it would just make person emotional, and it has also been found in the majority of the hands of those people who kind of do love marriage. So this is also it's a positive sign. Next is, which is a negative sign, if you will find any branch from the line of the Mars getting connected with the union line. So this is the union line, and as you can see, this is one branch which is coming and joining the line of Mars. So this is not considered as negative. You have to understand that Mars is the most negative planet for the marital harmony because of intensity and aggression. This is the kind of very negative planet. All those manglik dosha and all gets emanated from the planet Mars's position only, and Mars's placement, be it on the hand, be it on your astrological chart. So this will just indicate unhappy marriage if this kind of pattern you will find. Next is with the line of Mars ending, kind of sending a branch to the mount of Moon. So let's say for example, this is your lifeline, this is your headline, and as you can see, this is your line of Mars. Any point of time you will see a branch from the line of Mars going towards the mount of the Moon. So this is a sign of person, this is a negative sign. This is a sign of person taking refuge in alcohol or too much of sexual encounters. And let's say for example, you will find this kind of pattern with this branch ending on a star on the mount of the Moon. So this even represents insanity due to alcoholic insanity. So this is not considered as a positive sign. This is a very negative sign if you will find any branch from the line of Mars going on the mount of the Luna. Next is the special cases, like the way I'm just going to tell you that what all has been found true by the majority of the palmists in their research, and those prominent palmists what have they found true in their research. So let me just share it with you people. So let's say for example, what they have found is that any point of time where they have seen is that majority of the hands where the kind of husband is living in the house of his wife, so you will find this kind of line of Mars where it is joining from one end of the one end to the another end. Next is, many palmists have also found this in their research, is that any point of time you will find the line of Mars to be ending in a kind of split, ending in a fork. And at the same time, if there is any kind of trouble which is being indicated on the union line or the heart line as well, so this represents separation from the spouse. So this is what also they have found in the research, and many palmists have also found in the research that any point of time wheresoever the line of Mars if starts from the lifeline, from the origin, this indicates time of love affair. So what you need to do is you need to age the lines, and this will tell you and give you that information. Next is, and the last is about the remedy part. I have already made a separate video on at the time of when we were discussing the mount of Mars, the mount of Mars Vedic connection. I have already explained all those Rudraksh, gemstone and all those yantra and recitation of chants and mantras which could help you in appeasing the influence of Mars in your life. But trust me on this, I'm not biased to any religion. I equally follow all the religions. I have my friends from all religion, all nationalities. But it's just like that we are, studying palmistry from the Vedic view, from the Vedic perspective. The only one thing which you can do to appease Mars, because Mars is a very sensitive planet. If it is in a it's in a weak state, it could just make you very timid, not assertive enough to even put forth your stance. And if it's in an afflicted state, it could just make you, so intense, so rebellious that it could just make your life go haywire. So the only thing which I can advise you is that the recitation of Hanuman Chalisa remains to be a boon for the appeasement and for the controlling and for the strengthening of the planet Mars in your life. So this is all what I have to say on this video. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.